Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with Unomfundo Edseni. She is dressed in a school uniform, ready to go to school, but she can't leave. Remember, she needs to wait for Unga, because Umashabalala said wherever Unomfundo goes, she needs to be pelezeled by Unga. So Unomfundo's waiting there for Unga, and she's so irritated. She then says underneath her breath, umbhedo wonke lo. Umashabalala angene ke e-lounge and she sees uNomfundo waiting there. She's like, wena, pha umeleni lapho, ingathi yimbuzi elahlekile. Unga akekho. Usaye laphayana washwabi. Khona izinto ayozilungisa khona. uNomfundo then says, I don't know why he has to walk me to school, ma. Angiyona ingane. Okulandelayo, you'll be wiping my bum. She rolls her eyes. Umashabalala then says, hey bantu. Nomfundo, yabona la mehlo ongikhokela wona. Ngizowabuyisela emuva ngesibhakela angaphinde alunge. uNomfundo then says, ngenze njani ke ma? Ngingayi esikolweni ngoba akekho ozongiphelezela. uMashabalala then says, Nomfundo, hamba uye esikolweni. Kodwa ke uzongisiza ke. When you come back from school, don't go to uNomalanga's house. Ungaye itolo, ungahambi uma la emgaqweni. uNomfundo then says, yebo ma. uMashabalala then says, uqonde la ekhaya. uNomfundo then says, ngiyakuzwa ma. Angidluli kuphi, ngiza la ekhaya. She just walks off. She's like, usale kahle. uMashabalala then says, hey bantu. uNomfundo turns back. She's smiling. You can see she wants something from her mother. She then says, ma, bengizacela ifoni yami, ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi ngizoziphatha kahle. uMashabalala looks at her. She's like, Nomfundo, umbhedo lento ongitshela yona. Hamba uye esikolweni wena. uNomfundo is so irritated. She walks out the door and she bangs the door. uMashabalala is left saying, Nkulunkulu wami. You can see ukuthi, yay, this teenager is stressing her, you guys. Anyway, next scene, we see uSifiso usemsebenzini, guys. He just finished a police station. He just finished help someone. He's writing something down. Then angene uZethu ngomnyango we-police station, guys. When uSifiso looks up, he sees uZethu and he's wondering to himself, ukuthi hayibo, what is she doing here? He looks around to make sure ukuthi no one is sensing the vibes between them. He then says, sawubona mangwane. uZethu then says, ungumuntu onjani wena Sifiso? uSifiso then says, ukhuluma ngani manje? uZethu then says, ungiyeke ngahamba ngenhliziyo ephukile. Awungicheki ukuthi ngifike kanjani ekhaya, awufoni, awenzi lutho. uSifiso then says, ngicela ungilandele. Because you can see ukuthi hayibo, this conversation is getting heated, and then they go to a private room where they can speak. uSifiso then says, angizange ngithi ngicela ukuhambisa ekhaya. Wathi wena angingakuhambisi, ngakulandelela all the way to the door, and you rudely told me off. Ufuna ngenze njani kahle kahle? uZethu then says, Sifiso, ngihambe ngithukuthele kabi, inhliziyo yami iphukile. Uthi kumina ufuna ungishada, wada wena uvele waphenduka wenza ingathi angilutho kuwena. What's wrong with you? uSifiso then says, ufunani kumina Zethu? Guys, I agree with uSifiso because really, this girl is acting as if she wants. I don't know what she wants. She knows ukuthi uSifiso is a married man. uSifiso wants to do the right thing by marrying her. What does she want from him? uZethu then says, asiqale nje ngobuntu. Bengabe angicela obuningi. The fact that I even have to ask you, Sifiso, I mean, like, really? Angaphe, guys. uSifiso looks at her, is akungaphela bani. As he's speaking like that, the colleague kaSifiso walks in and she says, Officer Kubega, siyakudinga ngala ngaphakathi. uSifiso then says, ngiyeza. She then says, cha, njengamanje. He looks at uZethu because uZethu is in the middle of a conversation. uZethu then says, hamba. No, hamba. Ujwayele ukungishiya vele, hamba. And then he leaves uZethu nje kanjalo. uZethu is left there, guys. You can see she's got tears in her eyes. Ugeli ufuna ukukhala. Like, what does she even mean ukuthi ujwayele ukungishiya? Hayi uZethu nehaba like. But both guys, let me not judge her. Ugel is in love. Next scene, we see uNomfundo and uVusi after school, guys. They are chilling ngasemfuleni, busy eating snacks. I'm just helping uNomfundo agezwa, and she's taking advantage of the fact that umngaka uyasebenza. So uNomfundo is saying to uVusi, uthole yiphi iflavor? She's asking about the chips. uVusi then says chili beef. Unomfundo then says, eating ngizwe. She tastes. And then Uvusi then says, wena. And then Unomfundo gives her chips to Uvusi so that he can taste. He's like, awufuna ukuthi sishintshane. Shuthi-ke awanomfundo are nicer than his. Unomfundo then says, hayi cha, ngiright mina. Uvusi then says, hawu ngiyacela. Unomfundo ahleke and she's like, ngiright. Uvusi then says, yazi if ubhuti wami omdala angathola ngalokhu, angangibulala, he would skin me alive. Unomfundo then says, uma ngabe ungaraji engakutholanga kuqala, phela cishe wakubulala ngalela langa. Uvusi then says, uba. Unomfundo then says, wena. Uvusi then says, hayi suka. Ubonile ukuthi ngenzeni? Ngivele ngathi ukumdotsha. As soon as he came towards me, I ran the other way. Bahleke. Unomfundo then says, wena na. Washaya ezika Jackie Chan. Uyangichaza ngoba usabi. Abanye abafana ngabe kade babaleka. Uvusi then says, njalo menginawe. Ngivele ngithole esinye isibindi engasazi ukuthi sisukaphi. Ngizwa ingathi akekho ongangivimba menginawe nomfundo. And then they look at one another, guys. He leans in, she leans in as they are about to kiss, guys. There uMashabalala comes. Wena umfundo. Unokazana unomfundo jumps, Uvusi jumps. Unomfundo said, ma. Mashabalala is like, yay. Nenzani lapha nina. She hits lama chipsy, guys, or these zimbas that Uvusi is eating. She hits it out of his hand. Unomfundo said, ma, trying to protect her man, pela. Mashabalala then says, yay, wena Vusi nja. Unomfundo then says, ma, alumyeke. Umashabalala then says, nomfundo, wenziwa yini? Uzilahlele bafane ningathi awukhuliswanga ekhayeni right. Nomfundo, useyichichi. Nomfundo then says, ngiseyichichi, ma ngiyafunga nazi. Uvusi then says, ma ngiyabuthembisa. Hey, uMashabalala goes even more crazy. She's like, yey, vala umlomo wakho wena, angikhulumi nawe. Yini nagijimela izinto zabantu abadala nibancane kangaka? Unomfundo then says, kodwa ma, uMaNgcobo uthe akukho okubi esikwenzayo. Futhi there's nothing wrong with abantu abancane abathandanayo. uMashabalala then says, uMaNgcobo utheni? She pulls uNomfundo. uNomfundo's like, ma, how? uMashabalala then says, uyabona wena, speaking to Uvusi, let me find out that my daughter is no longer a virgin because of you. Nizokhokha nomndeni wakho. Nizokhokha nize nife. Uvusi then says, ma, ngiyabuthembisa angi. As he's trying to speak, uMashabalala then says, yey, angifuni lutho ophuma kuwena wena. Just get out of my face. Asambe wena, speaking to Nomfundo. Nomfundo takes her bag, guys. As she's taking her bag, she's looking back at Uvusi. uMashabalala then says, yey, ubukane move, Nomfundo. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, one thing about teenagers, there uMashabalala embarrassing herself, guys. I mean, already she's coming from Uvusi's household. Now she's busy screaming and kakweni kanjalo. Listen, these teenagers will drive you crazy. As if that was not enough, guys, uMashabalala goes to uShwabi's place. Uyolanda bani? uMaNgcobo for telling her daughter that there's nothing wrong with abantu abancane abathandanayo. Hey, uMaNgcobo there kwaShwabi's tavern, she is sitting busy sipping on ibev yakhe. uMashabalala angene. She's like, yey wena. uMaNgcobo turns around and then she's like, how ma? Savakashana wena namhlanje. It's so nice to see you. Aluhlale phansi, ngizobulungisela into edliwayo noma eyophuza. uMashabalala then says, angifuni lutho ephuma kuwena. Unokuzana uMaNgcobo is shocked like to say, and then uMashabalala goes on to say, awungitshele weMaNgcobo. Usithathaphi isibindi to teach my daughter indlela zakhe ezingcolile. uMaNgcobo is so confused, guys. She then says, ma, uMashabalala then says, utshele uNomfundo wena ukuthi sengakoma abe nesoka. uNomfundo uneminyaka 15, uyaphambana wena. uMaNgcobo then says, Mashabalala, I told uNomfundo that I see nothing wrong with her having a boyfriend. Uyingane, u-2025, inkathi sezishintshile. uMashabalala then says, so what if it's 2025, Unokuzana uMangobo then says, angithi our job is to guide them. Senze isiqiniseko sokuthi lokho abakwenzayo baba responsible. uMashabalala then says, you want my daughter to turn out like you? Bakoma abantu abadala abafana njengoShwabi njengoba eguke kanje. uMike laphayana guys is busy laughing. At this point, everyone is gathering because uMashabalala babaza. She's making noise. NoMangobo is standing there, guys. She is speechless. She is so embarrassed. uMashabalala goes on to say, la, we Mangobo, ngikutshele mina, ngifuna ungizwe kahle. Uyabona wena, mhla wanayo eyakho ingane, wamitha, wezwa ukuthi kunjani. The day you feel the pain of a baby kicking inside of your belly, uyofunda ngalelo langa. Uyakwazi ukuzala wena, Zale yakho ingane, khona uzokwazi ukuba umzali kunjani. Uyangizwa? Unokuzana uMangobo, she just nods her head, guys. uMashabalala walks out. You can see, guys, uMangobo, she is so teary. That was so, I get to what uMashabalala's angry, guys, but that was not okay. She doesn't know whether uMangobo unenzalo or not, whether she struggled or not. So for her to just throw that in uMangobo's face in kanjalo, yo, guys, last scene guys, uZethu emsebenzini ekliniki. She is locking up. She's done with work and she's about to leave. She's walking there ngase reception. She sees Aibo. Nangu uSifiso umlindile. She then looks at him. She's like, sivalile. uSifiso then says, ngiyakubona go. uZethu then says, ufunani ke Sifiso? uSifiso then says, ngifuna iqiniso. Ngiyakuzwa Zethu ukuthi uyashuta umfuni. I don't know how, but you everywhere that I am. Ngiyabuka. Ngiyezwa ngaphakathi ukuthi uyayifuna lento engiyifunayo. Kodwa iyayelwisa. uZethu then says, Sifiso, don't you dare. uSifiso then says, I'm not here to fight with you. uZethu then says, wena osuse lento, waqabula mina qala. Wafika wazonginyonyobela, wazokala imizwa engingayifuni. Ungenze ngakuthanda Sifiso. uSifiso then says, angizwa? Uthi uyangithanda? Mangwane, angikuzwa kahle. Wena uthanda mina? uZethu then says, yebo ngiyakuthanda Sifiso. Kodwa ngiyayizonda lento engizwayo. I wish I could. Like ngiyayizonda. uSifiso then says, ngiyakuthanda. Hlisa umoya. Ngiyakuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke. uZethu then says, hlukana nami phansi Sifiso. She walks off. uSifiso amlandele. He's like, Zethu. He pulls her. He's like, lalela Zethu. Fana ungivulele inhliziyo yakho. Fana nabanye abantu besifazane. Udedele inhliziyo ithande lo amthandayo. uZethu then says, angifani nabanye abantu besifazane mina. I'm no different from you. Asifani nabanye abantu. uSifiso then says, ngempela. He leans in, guys. He kisses her and she kisses him back. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, who's there to shame me? She's not the Tembu type. The way ngendlela athanda ukuncema ngakhona. I mean, just seconds ago, she was saying that, no, yeah, Sifiso, what? There she is, kissing him. I mean, uSifiso, it looks like he's gonna really need to work. Even when they married, I feel like he's going to have to work to constantly convince and reassure uZethu that he loves her. Anyway, let's pause it right there, guys, because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.